Okay.
So on the first hand, you're holding 14 high card points. What should we open?
One spade.
Fantastic. That was nice and easy, yes? So we
Yeah.
open one spade, but I promise you it's going to be more complicated. If partner came back with 2 hearts, how many hearts are they promising you? If you're playing standard or 2
Four.
over 1,
5.
it
Four.
has to be 5. So now let's go over. On one level, 1 club, 1 heart by partner, only promise 4. But responding to partner on level 2 with a major always guarantees 5. So 1 spade, 2 hearts guarantees 5, and standard 10 or more points, in 2 over 1, 12 or more points. So knowing that, what do you think I want to be bidding with my hand?
Hearts.
4
Three
hearts.
hearts. 4 hearts.
Even 4 hearts, because why? Even that I have 14 points, after we find a fit, I can give myself extra points for the distribution, yes?
Yes.
So now my hand went to 15 points. And 15, and if partner even in standard holds 10 points, we do have enough points per game, yes?
Yes.
Good. Hand number 2. What would you like to?
Am I in the wrong spot? I'm sorry. It's Alyssa.
You are fine. You are fine. We're just going over that. We're doing exercises. So on the second hand, how many points do you have?
12.
13.
13. So what should we open with this hand with 13 points?
One diamond.
One diamond.
One diamond. Excellent. Because we cannot open in the major because we don't have 5 card suit. And we cannot open in no trump because we don't have 15 to 17. So we open the bidding with 1 diamond. Over 1 diamond, let's make fun. Partner came back with 1 no trump. And again, opponent, it's not interfering. What do you think 1 no trump promise?
6 to 9 points.
6 to 9 points. What does it deny?
A diamond. A 4-card major.
4-card major, yes? So denies having 4-card major and denies having a fit, yes?
Yes.
For
Right.
diamonds. So now you have to ask yourself, is there a point for me to bidding a new suit? Or should I just stay in 1 no trump? And Judy, you can unmute yourself if you like to participate. And Nancy too. So should I sign off, meaning don't bid again, or do I have to continue bidding?
Don't bid again.
Don't bid again. So why here I have to be bidding versus here I can pass? The difference is no trump over a minor. If you're playing just standard, it's not a forcing bid because it promised only 6 to 9 points versus a new suit. Even if they bid a new suit on level 1, new suit, it's always forcing. So 1 diamond, 1 no trump, it's not a forcing bid. So you're absolutely right, Maureen, you need to pass. Hand number 3, it's more complicated. You're gonna open the bidding with
1 heart.
1 heart, good. Over 1 heart, partner came back with, I'll make it easier for a moment. Partner came back with 2 hearts. Is that forcing or not?
Not.
Not.
Because it's the same suit, and same suit always tell partner the point count, and bidding on level 2 shows only 6 to 9 points, yes? So as it's 6 to 9 points, do I have any interest going to game?
No.
No. So what should I be doing?
Pass.
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 Okay. Now, 1 heart and partner came back with 1 spade. Is that a forcing bid?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, because it's a new suit. Bidding a new suit on level 1. How many points do I promise?
haven't limited your bid.
I did not limit their hand. So I'm promising 6 or more points, okay? So 6 or more points. And how many cards do I have? You guys can raise your fingers if you like to have. Oh, I saw John whispering 4 cards suit. You're absolutely right, John. 4 cards suit. So now, do I have a fit for partner if partner guarantees me 4 cards and I also have 4? Yes.
Yes.
So my job is to tell partner about my strength, yes? So
Yes.
now, because I'm not sure if partner has 6 points or 12 points, or maybe 10 points or 15 points, I need to continue bidding. It is different than, remember, when the auction went 1 heart, 2 hearts. Here, partner told us 6 to 9 points. So we know we didn't have enough points for game. But with 1 spade, we need to continue bidding. Now, this hand, it's 12 points, plus each doubleton, it's 1 extra point. So it's still only 14 distributional points. And with 14 points, is that minimum, medium, or maximum hand as the opener? Minimum, yes? So
Yes.
with minimum hand, I should go to the minimum level and I should only be bidding 2 spades, okay? Questions? We okay? Barbara?
Sylvia, why are you adding for distribution? You don't have a fit yet,
Oh, in spades, I do.
but
If
it's
they
1
bid
heart,
one-
1.
One
Oh,
spade,
okay, I get
I
it.
have a fit, so I can give myself points for the shortness, yes?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Hand number 4. We have 19 points. What should I open?
1 diamond.
1 diamond.
1 diamond. So when you have the dilemma, which suit to open, minor, which minor, remember, I taught you guys that if you have 4 and 4,
It's a
you bid the diamonds because the diamonds is shape of 4 corners, yes? And 3 and 3, you were doing the clubs because club has 3 pointers, yes? So
Yes.
4 and 4, we start with the diamond. 5 and 5, we bid the diamonds as well. High 5 means higher ranking suit. So here we open 1 diamond. Why not 1 no trump?
Too many
We
points.
Too many
not enough
points.
points.
Yes, because 1 no trump, it's 15 to 17. And why not 2 no trump?
It's 20.
Because that was 20.
It's 20 to
21.
21. Good job. So here I need to open the bidding with 1 diamond. And let's say partner picks 1 heart or 1 spade. Let's say partner pick a major. Again, forcing or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because it's a new suit
suit.
showing 6 or more points and at least 4 card suit. So right away, do not raise your partner's major because they may only have 4. And then being your partner, they will not be happy to be playing 7 card suit if there's potentially playing different contract, yes?
Yes.
Now, this is a little bit tricky, and I'm gonna explain to you. I'm gonna bid 2 no trump, and the reason why I'm choosing to bid 2 no trump, even that I know we have enough strength for game, to give partner a choice, either to repeat the spades, to mention a new suit, because there might be potential playing in a major, yes? Now,
Mhm.
if the auction went 1 diamond, 1 no trump, which 1 no trump, it's not a forcing bid, where only shows 6 to 9 points. Here, I know I only want to be playing in no trump. So here I can go to 3 no trump. But opposite 1 spade, I need to learn as much as I can about partner's hand. That's why I did not want to close out the bidding, because my 2 no trump shows anyway 18 to 19 points. Okay? Am I going too fast or we okay?
So you go from 1 spade to 2 no trump?
Yes, because Alicia, if I bid one no trump, that
Right.
will show only 12 to 14. So I need to jump to tell my partner, my hand is balanced without the fit. So me jumping to 2 no trump shows 18, 19 points, but no fit, but a balanced hand. Okay. Next hand. What would you like to open?
Clubs.
Club.
One club. Great. So you guys open one club, and let's say partner came back with one heart. And now it's your rebid, and that's where we're struggling again. Now that promise, just like one spade, 6 or more points and 4 or more cards in this suit. So first of all, we don't have a fit.
Right.
Is our hand minimum, medium, maximum?
Maximum.
I could have 21 points. So one club, it starts from 12 up to 21, yes?
Yes.
So I like to divide the hand into minimum hand, which is about 12 to 15, medium hand, about 16 to 18, including distribution, and 19 plus points would be the maximum hand, yes?
Yes.
Right.
19 plus. So
Very
with
simple.
my,
It's middle.
so I am in the middle, the medium hand, yes? But
Mhm.
because I couldn't open one no trump because my hand was in balance, I can again not repeat and rebid one no trump. So what I prefer doing here, it's insist on the clubs, but don't bid on the lowest level, jump a level. So by you bidding 3 clubs now, not only you showing partner that you have a 6-card suit, but you also telling partner about your strength, that you don't have a minimum hand. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Exercise 2, you become the responder. So partner opened the bidding with 1 club. And when you're responding, you guys remember the rule. We always trying to find the major suit first, yes?
Yes.
So with the major, when I am 4 and 4, which major do I pick?
Heart.
Always
Heart.
the hearts. So just want to make sure, if I give you a hearts like that and spades, ace, king, queen, jack, you will still need to be bidding hearts, okay? Because
Really?
in bridge, really, 4 and 4, you bid always the hearts. You don't look at the strength of the suit. It is just the rule that you want to be following. 5 and 5, it's the higher ranking suit, but
Mhm.
4 and 4 start slowly, okay? So
Okay.
let me undo it so you guys not gonna get confused later. So 1 club,
2,
and we're gonna come back with 1
5,
heart,
9.
okay? I'm gonna mute because I'm hearing some background noise. And okay, later you guys can give me some signs, or you can quickly unmute and mute yourself if you're good, but would be much better. So 1 club, 1 heart by you. And now partner comes back with 1 spade. So what I learned by their 1 spade is that they don't have 5 spades, but they have 4. They don't have 4 hearts for me, because if they had 4 hearts, they will raise my hearts. And my partner's point count, it's somewhere between 12 to 18 points, okay? Why it's such a wide range? Because with better hand, they will need to do something called a strong jump and shift to a new suit. And I can talk about that in another class, that we're gonna have the strong jump shift. But as the opener, you couldn't reverse, you couldn't jump. So the 1 spade shows somewhere between 12 to 18 points. So now as the responder, Your obligation is to tell partner, do I have a minimum hand, medium hand, or the maximum hand? Now, don't forget those bits earlier that I showed you, all those bits earlier were done for the opener. Here we talk about from the perspective from the responder. So now I'm gonna make some rules for you guys or guidelines. As a responder, how many points did you need to have originally to respond over one clap? It's 6 points, yes?
Yes.
6 or more points. So minimum hand as a responder, it's 6 to 9. Medium hand, 10 to lousy 12. And maximum hand will be 13 plus points. And think of the logic. If you know partner has at least 12 points and you have 13, 12 and 13, are we gonna have enough strength for game? Yes, that's why it's called maximum hand, because we can get to game. Now this hand, and I can show always the range if I know we have a fit. So by bidding now, supporting my partner's spades, and I can do that because I have 4, I can also tell partner about my strength of this hand of my entire hand. Sorry for that. So now I found the fit. So not only I have 10 points, high card points, I have extra 1 point here, yes? So my high distributional points now it's 11. So I want to invite my partner because opener could be somewhere between 12 to 18 points. So I want to jump to 3 spades and give partner the chance and describing my hand so they can either pass, go to 4, and probably that's all. They're not going to be looking for a slam. Ups that only 10 to lousy 12. Okay.
Yeah.
2.2. 1 clap and you have 4 points. So after 1 clap, you're not obligated to respond because you don't have 6 points, yes? So with this hand, you will pass. However, if your partner opened the bidding with 2 claps, it's the only bid that you are forced to respond to partner, even with 0 points. So if I gave you no high card points and partner opens the 2 claps, don't forget that it's the only bid that has nothing to do with the suit, yes? Opening 2 claps, it's showing 22 or more points, has nothing to do with claps, yes? So you have to be bidding with this hand. Now, going back to the king, and if that was the hand and goes 2 claps, since I need to respond and I don't have a good 5 card suit and I don't have at least 8 points, the only bid that I can be making now, it's called a weighting and negative bid, okay? So the 2 claps bid, it's artificial, has nothing to do with claps. So I need to bid 2 diamonds. And now partner, it's gonna tell me about their hand. When they bid 2 no trump, and I know I talk fast, I'm gonna let you think for a moment. What do you think this 2 no trump guarantees?
It's telling you about the shape.
Shape, yes, that it's balanced, just like opening of 2 no trump guarantees balanced hand. Repeating now over the 2 claps 2 diamonds still shows balanced hand. Remember, if we will start the auction with 2 no trump, that would promise 20 to 21 points, yes? So,
Right.
and 2 claps starts with 22 points. So
Right.
this 2 no trump shows 22 to 24 points, okay? And what is the beauty about that? You can still do statement. You can still do transfer bids. But I'm not gonna go further on this hand because I have some new students here that I will confuse them if I go there today, okay? So that's gonna be another lesson, okay?
Okay.
Hand number 2.3. Partner opened the bidding with one clap and you now responding and you not 4-4. Remember, you are 5-5.
Spade.
You bid the spades first. And remember how I told you? 5-5, bid
High five.
high five. 4 and 4, you bid slowly. So you bid one spade. And now partner came back with 2 spades. Do you like that?
Yes.
I love it. Do you know how many points partner it's holding?
At least 12.
Up to? Because they
21.
raised your suit. Nope. Originally, when we opened one club was 12 to 21.
12 to 15.
About 12 to 15, okay? So that's the minimum hand, medium hand, maximum hand. So when you raising partner suit as the opener, you can also tell partner about your strength. So they showed you that they have 12 to 15 and a fit. Now, don't forget on this hand that you can count points for the shortness, yes? So in this hand, I have 9 high card points plus the points for shortness. Or even better method would be counting losers by looking at the top 3 cards in each suit. So here I have 2 losers. Here I have 2 losers. In diamonds, I have 1 loser because it's only 1 card, yes? And I talk about that lesson on the lesson called Losing Trick Count. If you never took the class with me, there is always available for online for download for like 12 bucks. And then in here, we have 1 loser. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And partner promised me 7. I will close my eyes and go all the way to 4 spades because the hand will play so well for you. That shortness, this shortness, it's very strong for me, okay? 2.4, 1 clap. Now, all depends what system do you guys play. If you're playing standard American, you will bid 3 claps with this hand, showing a fit and 10 to 12 points. If you're playing a convention called inverted minor, you will bid only 2 claps. Now, do I like playing inverted minor? I love it, but it's not in such an easy convention, and most of you don't know that convention. So with this hand, you will bid 3 claps, which will show 10 to about 11, 12 points, okay? And says I have to have how many claps when I'm raising my partner's claps. I saw, yes, good job, 5. So just for the newer players, when we're raising a major, since major guarantees 5, responder needs to have 3, yes, cards in the suit. Because in the minor, we only guarantee 3, the responder needs to have now 5 card suit, which we do have it, okay? So we will bid now 3 claps. Okay, 2.5, I have 15 points and partner opens 1 clap. And here I'm always getting at least 1 person or 2 giving me the wrong answer. Now, if you feel strong about what you want to be bidding, unmute yourself. Okay, Dolly, go for it. You're still muted. Barbara, you want to give a chance?
I got it. 1 no trump.
Trump.
I said 1 person always
Oh.
give me the wrong. Dolly, it's not wrong, right. It's 3 no trump.
No trump.
Now, why 3 no trump? What is the difference? If you were Dali, the opener,
Right.
okay,
Oh,
then you will
right.
open. But remember, here you are the responder. Don't forget that partner promised us 12 points in order to open. You know you're not gonna play in the major, yes? So by you bidding 3 no trump, you're saying I have 13 to about 16 points, somewhere around that, and I don't have a 4-card major, yes? But I wanna be playing in no trump. You have beautiful stoppers everywhere else. So bidding 3 no trump would be a perfect bid, okay? Now, exercise 3, because I ran out of the room, I'm gonna put it in here. The auction went 1 heart. And I'm assuming that you guys playing standard American, nothing like super fancy or 2/1, no Bergen raises. So if partner opens the bidding 1 heart, I have a fit, but as a responder, you remember here, I have the medium range, I found a fit. So by me bidding now 3 hearts, I'm telling partner 10 to bet 12 points, yes?
Yes.
And partner can decide what they want to be bidding. On the next hand, 1 heart, I can introduce my own suit. I can bid 1 spade, showing 6 or more points and 4 or more spades. Now, here it's getting complicated. Over 1 heart, you're not allowed to introduce a new suit. And why? Because if you remember, bidding a new suit, clubs or diamonds, would force you to level 2, yes? And bidding on level 2, you need to have more points than only 6 high card points. Even if you gave yourself 1 point for each card above 4 cards, that only comes to 8 points. Still not enough points to introduce a new suit. So here you need to be bidding 1 no trump, and 1 no trump as a responder. It's
Okay.
not guaranteeing balanced hand. 1 no trump as a responder says 6 to 9 points. Yes, if you're playing standard, and 2/1 could be up to 11 points. Okay. 3.4, 1 heart. I usually get at least 1 person to pass. So do not pass with this hand because you find a fit. So important to reevaluate this hand, and you can give yourself 3 additional points for that shortness. So with this hand,
2, 4, 5, 6, 7.
2 heart.
7 points, yes. We can now bid 2 hearts, and that would say to partner, I have 6 to 9 points, okay? And our finale, 1 heart. Better players that play for much longer will bid slower because they will be afraid that if we jump right away to 4 hearts, we might miss a potential of a slam. So more experienced players will bid 2 diamonds, and then newer players will bid 4 hearts. Now, for newer players, if you bid 4 hearts, I'm happy, but 2 diamonds will be my favorite bid, okay? Now, because I'm introducing a new suit, remember, partner, it's not allowed to pass me. Only if I'm bidding the same suit, partner, it's allowed to pass me, yes? New suit, it's still forcing. So I want to listen what my partner has to tell me more about their hand. Maybe they're gonna bid no trump. Maybe they're gonna bid repeat the hearts, and I know now they have 6. So all depends what they're gonna be bidding. It would change my mind if I wanna close out the bidding, just bidding 4 hearts, or maybe I might look for a slam. All right, guys, we finished right at 5 o'clock like we hoped for, yes?
Yes,
So I
thank you.
hope this helps. I will try
Thank
to
you.
do that on the weekly basis. So you can tell your friends, I will post this one also on the internet for you guys as the recording. I know there was earlier I put it the wrong, I'm sorry.